Guys, we're gonna hit 2 million subscribers. How are you guys feeling?
We want to kill ourselves.
Haha, that's very funny. Can you tell me how you actually feel?
Nobody cares.
You know, just fuck you guys, man. I'm just... Okay, so Naveed ने मुझे अभी बताया कि last night when I was streaming, I was very loud. And apparently not just last night, मैं हमेशा loud रहता हूँ stream करते वक्त. और मेरे headphones on रहते हैं ना, तो मुझे पता नहीं चलता कि मैं कितना loud हूँ. I don't know how right they are, but today I'm going to try and figure out how loud I actually am. What do you say?
You have no idea how you shout.
How I shout? I don't yell, I am no, first of all. That was very loud.
Oh, you should see the videos. I will show you.
अरे तुझे रेड नहीं करना आता, मैं उसको मारना आता हूँ. बॉट का मार रहा हूँ यार, मैं इंसानों को मारा है मैंने. तूने इंसानों को मारा. ओ तुम हो प्रिंसिपल. अभी मैंने बनाया है गाना, अभी हिमेश रेशमिया. मैं हूँ स्कूल, मैं भी cool. It's Landeshwar all the way. He is lutting his way through all the way to the end. This is a big performance by Landeshwar. Alright, so the accusations are very heavy and now we're going to test out how loud I actually am. Revant and Naveed are going to go 2 floors down to see if they can hear me and go further down. We'll see.
Tanmay, can you stream at 11 a.m. tomorrow?
Why?
I need to wake up early. Now we are in his bedroom. Are you guys ready? I will text you.
They texted?
Yeah.
Alright. No! Gary, don't do it! I don't know if that's loud.
You got that? Yeah, we got that. Okay, now we are going 2 floors down.
They're 2 floors down, okay? Gary, revive them! Revive them, yaar!
Okay, we heard that.
Am I this loud while streaming?
Yes. You got headphones on. So
I have hot coffee right next to me.
So I was saying, yes. Tanmay, we could actually hear you from 11th floor. Do you want us to go to 9th floor?
Try 9th floor.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure. नहीं यार, मैं मर गया यार. नहीं.
Okay. Well, that was very soft. So Naveed asked me, started, and then he replied, yeah. What do you think? Ground floor तक आएगा?
नहीं आएगा.
नहीं आएगा.
Traffic है. Alright guys, अभी हमने नवीद और रेवंत को नीचे सीधा ग्राउंड फ्लोर बिल्डिंग के बाहर भेज दिया. उनको कन्विंस किया कि नहीं वहाँ पे भी आवाज आएगा.
आएगा.
हाँ? And when they go there, we have some choice words to tell them.
So we are on the ground floor. What do you think? What do you think?
So there's so much traffic.
लवलेश, वो जब सर चिल्लाता है इधर नीचे आवाज आता है क्या? रात को? हाँ? रात को आता है? आता है. आवाज आता है? अरे.
Naveed is there.
Can you call Raghav and tell that we are here?
Yeah.
We are also ready with the stand.
Are they there? Okay. अबे नवीद लौड़ो.
कुछ बोला है क्या उसने? हाँ?
चूतिया बनाया, बड़ा मजा आया. चूतिया बनाया, बड़ा मजा आया. You saying चूतिया बनाया?
We say चुतिया बनाया. Fucking he's trolling us. What? Come. Fuck this.
Okay, so now there's definitive proof that I am loud.
Yeah.
Okay, I am loud, but Naveed's ugly, so technically it evens out, right?
Yeah.
And turns out I've been loud for the last 5 months, and everybody's had to deal with me yelling, and nobody really complained because they knew I wanted to stream. And this whole experiment has given me one idea. Maybe there is something I can do to help the boys out. Bhuvan को phone कर रहा हूँ एक second.
The number you have dialed is currently busy. Please try later.
सुबह के 2:30 बजे यार भुवन बिजी क्या पबजी खेल रहा है. भुवन पबजी खेल रहा है. आई एम इन अ गेम 10 minutes. ओके डन बेबी. 10 मिनट हो गए भुवन के. अटेम्प्टिंग नंबर 2. आई मीन अटेम्प्ट नंबर 2. व्हाट एम आई सेइंग? यो क्या कर रहा है?
कुछ नहीं, बैठा हूँ यार, काम कुछ चल रहा है.
पबजी खेल रहा था.
तो हाँ, अभी खेल के हटो.
तो सुन ना, मेरे यहाँ पे थोड़ा सीन. तू मीवी के साथ अब भी काम कर रहा है क्या? आप थोड़ा हेल्प कर सकते हो मेरे लिए?
किस चीज बताओ?
आप मीवी में कोई ब्रांड मैनेजर, सीनियर ब्रांड मैनेजर का कांटेक्ट भेज सकते हो? मुझे थोड़ा काम है.
भेज देता हूँ, अभी भेज देता हूँ.
ओके डन.
और कोई सेवा?
और कोई सेवा नहीं सर. थैंक यू. लव यू बेबी.
एक बार जय में भी तो बोल दो.
जय मीवी डन. लव यू जानू. बाय. Good morning. Guess what arrived at the doorstep in the morning? I want to give a huge shout out to the folks at Mevi for sending me the Mevi Duopods M80 on such short notice. These Duopods have amazing sound clarity and really good bass. They have a 30-hour battery life and really low latency if you're into gaming. और ऐसे 10-12 डब्बे पड़े हैं. Basically ये पहनने के बाद you can stop complaining about me being loud, okay? And they've been kind enough to send me like a dozen boxes. And abhi I'm gonna go up and surprise gift this to the boys. Raghav, Revant, Akash, Naveed, everybody gets a pair. I'm also gonna give these to Shankar, his kid, Anita दीदी. मेरे बिल्डिंग में 2 वॉचमैन है जिन्होंने लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे मेरी बहुत मदद की. और जब से लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ है मेरे बिल्डिंग में शाम को हफ्ते में 2-3 बार एक भैया आके ब्रेड, दूध, अंडे दे के जाते. उनको भी एक पैर दूंगा. Just as a way of saying thank you and tolerating me and helping me during this lockdown. And hopefully एक अच्छा सरप्राइज होगा उनके लिए. So let's go.
We are doing 2 more Duopods to security and the guy who supplies egg and milk. Yeah. Because they are the one who hears and screams the most.
Guys, there's a bee in the house. Oh, it's right there, guys. That's the bee. Can someone get the bee out? I'm very scared. Hang on, I'm gonna turn this light off. Hang on. It's right there. Naveed, can you get the bee out? Yeah. No, don't hit it. Don't. And now it's just pissed off. Naveed!
Do you want it out?
Yes, I want it out, but I want it to be alive. Is it in your hand?
Box is here.
Wait! Fucking Naveed! Naveed, you bastard! Did it go? Fuck, you put it in the water. Naveed, it'll die. It's flying? चूतिया बना रहा तू मेरे को?
नहीं, इधर देखो.
Here. Is it on the thing? Yeah. Oh, it's right here. Naveed, that looks pretty dead to me.
No, it's alive.
Naveed, you killed the bee.
No, I didn't. Hey, bee, what's up? Look, it's alive.
Push it and see.
Why is there so much water here?
This is the most Bombay has ever rained. Okay, it's okay. You can hang out there. No problem, bee. Love you. Like, share, subscribe. There's a dead bee.
Another dead bee which is floating here.
Can you stop killing bees, dude?
I'm not killing bees. It's just dead already.
Why are there so many bees in this house?
This is that bees attract to sweetness, and I'm a sweet person. I think they all want.
Did you just say you're a sweet person? That's why bees are attracted? Oh my god.
Now we know who's commenting. It's Naveed with his account.
Naveed, there are 6 bees here, dude. What the fuck?
I think they've come to take revenge of the dead bee.
He killed it.
I didn't kill it.
You think कुछ करना? अरे खोल क्यों रहा है? तू पागल हो गया क्या? Are you crazy? If I die, I swear to God,
You'll not die of bee. Maybe diabetes.
I will hit you. अरे यार Naveed, you Naveed. One second, Revant, keep this quiet. Naveed, can you stop hitting the bees like that? They communicate with each other.
Looking at you.
Where is it?
It's over here.
If it's dead, tomorrow we're having a funeral for this bee.
Yeah.
Look at that. What?
Here. Come from here.
Holy fuck, there's like 10 of them, dude.
You know why they're here, Naveed? Because we killed that one bee.
ऐसे नहीं होता है.
This is how bees work. They work as a colony. It's a very socialist system.
Noam Chomsky told you. It's not dead?
We have a light in the dustbin. But it's okay. Don't open the dustbin.
Where will you put the fucking trash? Where do I put you, Naveed?
Yeah, it's here. It's because it's raining.
Yeah, it's raining dead bodies of bees, Naveed.
Stop that.
I have one solution. Do you know Sonu Sood personally?
No, look, they all went.
Naveed can't even convince himself, dude. Look, they all went. Oh, they did. You know that meme? Little child looks in the corner like. Yeah. That's Naveed.
He's more like that child who's looking at the house burning. Like
What?
Yes, how many are there? I said bees. I'm a comedian.
Naveed, can you throw him also in the fucking garbage can? Come. One more? What? Where?
has entered. Naveed.
Naveed, one more has come in. This has happened because of you.
Where are they coming from?
There only, they're coming.
How are they coming?
Oh, I know how they're coming. This has space for them to come in through. This has space.
We need to renegotiate our rent, dude. 1 rupee every bee.
Sorry, I killed it.
Get out.
They killed it by mistake.
How many?
He looks like a serial killer.
Yeah, dude. I think they are smelling honey.
No.
That's not how
They
it
are
works.
seeing their comrades die.
Okay, let's throw all the dead bodies outside so that they go there.
So that sends a message.
In this whole endeavor, me and Revant हमारा गान फट रहा है. नवीद 20 की जान लेते हैं. राघव मैंने नोम चॉम्स्की का 2 बुक पढ़ा है.
One more suggestion is tying the dead bees, like hanging it there to make an example.
Why is everyone so weird in this house? Dude? I don't know.
Naveed.
They are avoiding water and are attracted to light. If we close the curtains, it might help.
Yeah, maybe Naveed thinks that if they don't see all the dead bodies, they won't be that angry.
You know, a good cover-up is very important after the murder.
Yeah, I'm moving out.
I was not a part of this.
Are there any windows and all open down?
Oh fuck my life.
Oh shit!
अपना washroom का खुला होगा ना Revan?
Fuck, they're here also. Rev, can you please check? Revan, if you're checking, make sure you videotape it. We need it for the vlog. Okay, all the best, guys. मिला क्या? इधर भी है क्या?
No, I don't think. क्या होता है?
Okay, if any bees are here, मूतने के बाद please flush करके जाना. What the fuck, Naveed? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm watching porn.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed that, then please hit like right now. Also, if you can, please do subscribe. The video will just show up on your feed. You can watch them if you want to. It takes no effort, but it will really make our day. And make sure you check out the Meevee M80 Duopod. Shankar seems to be really enjoying them. You can buy them on Meevee's website. So make sure you click on the link in the description and get these babies. Right, Shankar? You're enjoying them? You're really into them, huh? What song are you playing? Apparently nobody actually cares.